You think I was born to ruin your life, but you did most of that before I arrived. Some things are broken when you open the box. So stop this, you've gone too far, enough is enough. I wish I didn't care this much, but I do. No one knows the half of it, what you put me through. And I sometimes wonder, do you live with regret? Wish I could say I wish you the best. 'Cause I used to love you, now every day I hate you just a little more. Life got better when I lost you, but every day I hate you just a little more, and more, and more. Blame it on your history and say it's not your fault. I can't call you crazy, 'cause you could be diagnosed. Oh, I used to love you, but every day I hate you just a little more, and more, and more. I wish that you would look in the mirror, 'cause if you did, you see the problem is you, 'cause you're I know that I'm your scapegoat whenever the rain falls, whenever you slip, or when you're in a dip. I was there to lean on when I was a kid, but now that I'm an adult, I see it for what it is. I have to lock the door now, building a bridge. Take all your apologies and put them in the bin. For your dad's sake, please move out your dad's place. Stop bringing drama there with your mates. Your sister's got enough to manage on her plate, to worry about you controlling your